and emotional Leonardo Fagati. So much responsibility on his shoulders in particular. He bears the legacy of his father, who died when he was just 3 years old. He actually led the line, did Anthony Fagati, for RUSEAS work over the years. Huntington with the miss. RUSEAS scored goal! It was written in the stars. Leonardo Fagati to his father. An emotional goal, an emotional strike, and the Russians celebrate because they have won hand on the title.
So me have to give a quick shout out to my alma mater, which is RUSEAS High School, and big up to all the boys that won the 2017 Dacosta Cup. They will be playing Jamaica College this Saturday, so you can live stream it or you can go show support in Kingston. Big up to all the past and present Russians. Okay, anywhere we go, we always show out and show up. And I want to take this time out to congratulate all our past and present footballers. Big up on yourself and always make we proud. I'm going to talk about a few things that you guys probably don't know about RUSEAS High School. Our high school has 2 campuses. So we have Campus 1 and Campus 2. And we normally say our school is on the rock, because it's actually on a rock, figure, like literally on a rock. We can watch dolphin shows when we're at school on Campus 1. And because our campus have 2 different campuses, we have 2 different vibes to each campus. So that's something that is not very well known, I would say, about RUSEAS High School. And another thing, our motto is Labor Omnia Vincit, and I remember the first time I went to RUSEAS, they drilled that in our heads and made sure that we understood what it means, and it's the Latin term for work conquers all. So big up to all them Russians, big up to the football squad, all the past and present footballers, and I'm gonna be rooting for you guys to beat Jamaica College this Saturday in Kingston, Jamaica. Doing a thing, work hard, that's all you guys ever do. And big up on yourself. Me know Rushy stink up, okay? Lucy mad up, okay? And I also know that our school have the best concert, so make sure of them keep a concert. It was sick. So big up to all past and present Russians, and congratulations to the 2017 Dacosta Cup champions. Whoop whoop. Big up my school. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm up out of here, man. Deuce.